Happy New Year, everyone. Thank you so much for your love and support in 2025. I wish you joy, peace, and good health with plenty of good food on your table this 2026. Let's start the new year with a delicious fish stew. My husband is one of those men who don't know what they want to eat at all times when being asked, what do you want to eat? This does not mean that he can eat anything, no. Lie. If you bring anyhow food, he will reject it. But help me to make the decision now. Voila. So anytime he opens his mouth to say, I feel like eating this or that, or babe, it's been long I ate this or that. My response is always say no more. I'll make sure I prepare it for him. That's how we arrived at fish stew. He said, babe, it's been long I ate fish stew. I didn't even want to remind him that there is chicken stew and turkey fried rice in the fridge. Let's start by frying our fish. I'm using mackerel fish. This mackerel fish was well seasoned and left in the fridge to marinate overnight. I use seasoning cube, salt, fresh pepper, that's scotch bonnet, with a little onion. I crushed the pepper and onion, then mix everything up, wrap up, and left to marinate in the fridge. Sometimes I boil my fish before frying. I want the fish to release all of its goodness into the oil. We're going to use this oil to make the stew. That's where the where we'll get the fish flavor. You have to remove the some of the onion or pepper or whatever that's got burnt, in the process of frying. You can use your strainer to strain the oil. For me, I don't have that time to start washing oil, after everything. So I just did it that way. Now, adding our tomato paste. I'm using just one small size of tomato paste. For my fish stew, I don't like much of tomato paste. I prefer more of fresh tomatoes and peppers. I stir fry the tomato paste for some time. As you can see, it's looking a bit dry now. So I'm adding my pepper mix. So this pepper mix is a mixture of shepherd pepper, tomatoes, ginger and garlic, with enough scotch bonnets. I have this in my freezer. Anytime I want to cook, I'll pull it out, allow to thaw, then start cooking. Now you can see oil floating on top. So I'll go ahead to season. This is coriander powder, some thyme, curry powder. I'm using two of this seasoning cube. Mixes everything. All purpose seasoning. I'm going to taste to see what is lacking. So I'm adding some salt. I usually add my salt, after adding all the seasonings and everything to avoid, my food coming out salty, because all the seasonings they contain some amount of salt in them. Now, since I don't have stock, that is fish stock. I didn't boil my fish, so I'm going to add ordinary water, not stock. And don't add chicken stock to your to your fish stew. Adding my fish.
For the boy rice now, no time.
It's true, but you know the hard shit. Cover this stew. Now allow it to simmer on low heat for like 3 minutes, 5 minutes is fine. Come back, open this pot. Oh my god. In fact, I'm going to record my husband enjoying this food. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss it.